Hey, what's up, everybody? Terry Daniel, voice actor and coach from UVT Coaching. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's so exciting already, isn't it? Hey, I did something pretty cool over the last couple of weeks. I created a step-by-step guide on how to get into voiceovers the right way. Now, this is based on my over 30 years of experience in the business. You want to know what motivated me? I just get tired of seeing these slippery ads on Facebook, other social media platforms where there's charlatans making outlandish income guarantees. They're talking about make big money doing voiceovers in only a week. It's just stuff that just made me start to cringe. So if you're serious about getting into voiceovers, you have to be really careful these days on some of the information that's out there. So I have created a very candid step-by-step guide, everything from coaching to getting demos produced, what you really need to do to have the best chance to succeed. And this is a free guide, so I want you to sign up for it. I put the link is in the video here too, but the clickable link is in the description of this video below. Click on that and sign up for this free step-by-step guide on how to get into voiceovers. You'll opt in, and a few seconds later, you'll get an email with a link to the PDF. I think it's very helpful information, and I spent quite a bit of time working on it. I wanted to create a guide that was not only transparent, but also based on my own career and what has worked for me. So if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer any questions. Just put them in the comment section below. But go ahead and click on the link below. It's startdoingvoiceovers.com. That's where you need to go to register for this free step-by-step guide. I hope you take advantage of it. And I will talk to you soon. Happy holidays, everybody. My name's Terry Daniel, voice actor and coach from UVT Coaching. I will talk to you very soon. Take care, everybody.